Hello class 5. Today I am going to continue with the chapter The Green Earth. As you know that we have completed two videos for this chapter, and we have learned in the previous videos that what are the differences of food crop and cash crop, and what are the importance of forest, and we have also learned the different kinds of trees, their uses, their characteristics and everything. Now we are going to learn from the page number 40, and please, if you have the book, so please take it out and turn to page number 40. So India, at one time India was having lots of greenery. That means India was having a thick forest. As the number of people increased, so they cut down the trees of the forest for their purposes, for their medicines, for their furnitures, and for farming and everything. But now, with the help of government and with the help of people, India slightly increased a number of trees in forest. So we should think about this, because without trees we cannot be able to breathe also. So we should plant the trees more and more, and we should take care of the trees also. Now, as you know that we have discussed about the different kinds of trees. Now we are going to discuss about the food crops. Okay, that means food crops and cash crops we are going to discuss. We have discussed about the natural trees and everything. Now we are going to discuss about the trees we are cultivating. And at the first we are going to discuss about the food crop. Then we will discuss about the cash crops also. Students, here you can see that I have written rice. So rice, we are going to read about rice, wheat, millets. So these three important food crops we are going to read. At the first I have written second largest producer. Here you can see second largest producer, then warm humid climate, and then North Plain, Assam Valley. So the first point I have written second largest producer. That means India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Okay, and rice needs warm and humid climate and plenty of water. The main rice growing areas are northern plain and the Assam Valley, and some parts of the plateaus region, and the coastal areas of East and West India. Okay, and one more point that I want to see, that I want to tell, that in the East and the South, East India and the South India, okay, farmers are able to grow 2 or 3 crops of rice in the year, because there is enough water. East India means I am talking about West Bengal, Bihar, these places, and South India is also having lots of rain. So these places, East and South India, the farmers can grow 3 or 2 crops of rice in a year, because they have plenty of water. But in Western India and North India, they don't have the much water, so only for one time in the year they grow rice. Okay, now this is wheat. What is written? Cool dry climate. That means this is a winter crop. Okay, and wheat is a winter crop because it needs a cool weather and also dry weather. Dry means, you know, in India generally there's some lots, the places don't get the places are having the dry climate in the time of winter. So it is also cool, and when it is cool and when it is dry, then it is the perfect climate for wheat growing crop. Okay, and where do we get? It is in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. We get lots and lots of wheat, and this is basically these states are wheat growing states. Sorry. It is also the staple food of the people of this region. That means in West Bengal, staple food is rice, and in Punjab, Haryana, UP, the people the people's staple food is wheat. Okay. Next one, that is millet. Millet means, what is that meaning of this millet? Millet means is are also food grains like rice, wheat, but are small grained. These are millets means is we can say it rice, wheat, but it is smaller, so we can say it like bajra, jowar, ragi, this. And where do we get it? We get the drier parts of India, generally Rajasthan, we get bajra, jowar, ragi, and also we get also in Gujarat. Okay. So people of Gujarat and Rajasthan, they have the staple food of bajra, jowar, ragi. Okay. Students, look at this map here. I want to show you where we get rice, wheat, and millet. So you can see the green color. This green color symbolizes rice. So from this is the northern plain and Assam Valley. This all places are we get the rice. Okay, this is very favorable for the rice. This soil is very favorable for the rice growing, and this place. And so West Bengal, whole West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, then some parts of Haryana, Uttaranchal, these parts we get. And also the coastal area, you can see this all coastal area also included, that we get rice here also. Okay, western coastal also we get some parts where we get rice. Clear? Next one, that is wheat. Wheat is actually this sign is this in this way. So wheat, you can see this Punjab, Haryana, this place, Punjab, Haryana, this Uttar Pradesh, this place are we get wheat in a lot amount. And here also you can see this the Madhya Pradesh, some parts. Okay. So here we can see some parts of here also in the West Bengal. So this is basically, this part is very famous for wheat growing area. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and some parts of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next, that is millet. Millet, where do we get? Millet we get in drier part. I have told you. Again, this you can see, this is Rajasthan, this one is Gujarat, this is some parts of Haryana, Punjab, and then some parts of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then it comes in the Deccan Plateau. Here also we get Maharashtra also, some parts also, Karnataka, some parts also. So in this way we get this millet, and generally millet we get in the drier parts of India.